Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover hidden treasures in the numismatic world. If you love rare and valuable coins, you are in the right place. First up, we delve into one of the most fascinating and highly sought-after coins in the world of numismatics, the 1996 Lincoln Memorial Penny with a D mint mark, which holds an incredible story and an impressive market value. If you are a coin enthusiast or a passionate collector, you will want to stick around as we explore the historical significance, unique features, rarity, and current market value of this fantastic piece of American currency. The Lincoln Memorial Penny, first introduced in 1959, has become a beloved symbol of American history. The design commemorates the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth and features the iconic Lincoln Memorial on the reverse side. The 1996 penny, produced by the United States Mint, carries a distinctive place in the history of American currency, as it was the last year this design was struck before it was replaced by the Union Shield design in 2010. This particular coin, with the D mint mark, was minted in Denver, and while many may not think much of it at first glance, this coin has a unique place in the hearts of collectors, especially when you factor in its condition and market demand. What sets the 1996 Lincoln Memorial Penny apart is not just its design, but also the unique characteristics it carries. The D mint mark, which signifies it was minted in Denver, is a key detail that collectors eagerly look for. But beyond the mint mark, the coin's subtle yet profound features make it a standout. The Lincoln Memorial on the reverse side is beautifully etched, symbolizing the strength and unity of the United States. The obverse features the classic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, engraved with remarkable detail. Even in lower condition, the overall look and craftsmanship of this penny make it a cherished item in many collectors' collections. When it comes to rare and valuable coins, condition is everything. While the 1996 Lincoln Memorial Penny in question might be in a dark grey patina, it is important to recognize that coins with unique characteristics, such as this one, continue to be in high demand. The dark patina on this penny adds a level of character and individuality that many collectors appreciate. In fact, it is often this natural aging process that makes coins like the 1996 penny even more desirable, as it showcases the history and journey the coin has been through. Even with its patina, this coin's rarity, particularly in terms of its age and mint mark, makes it a highly prized piece for both novice and expert collectors alike. The fact that it is still in circulation and accessible to enthusiasts adds to the excitement, as coins like these often become more difficult to find as the years go by. Now let us talk about the real value of the 1996 Lincoln Memorial Penny with the D mint mark. Although this coin is often seen as a modest 1-cent piece, in the right condition, especially when it has the added rarity of a unique patina, the value skyrockets. Today, the market for this penny can vary based on its condition, but even in poor condition, such a penny can fetch an impressive value, anywhere $38,000, and sometimes even more for those that are well preserved or have unique features. Coins like this are becoming more valuable with time, as collectors seek out pieces from specific years and mints to complete their collections. The rarity of a 1996 penny in this particular state of preservation makes it a high-demand item, and as the years go by, its value will only continue to rise. For collectors looking to invest in the 1996 Lincoln Memorial Penny, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, condition plays a major role in its value, so always pay attention to the coin's wear and tear. While a dark grey patina can enhance the coin's appeal, it is important to ensure that the key features, such as Lincoln's portrait and the memorial design, remain visible. Additionally, if you are looking to add this penny to your collection, be patient and do your research to find one in the best possible condition. It is also a good idea to keep an eye on coin auctions and numismatic marketplaces where collectors actively buy and sell valuable pieces. The more you learn about the coin's history and characteristics, the more you'll appreciate its value. To conclude, the 1996 Lincoln Memorial Penny with the D mint mark is an exceptional coin that holds a special place in the world of numismatics. Its historical significance, unique features, and rarity have made it a highly sought-after piece for collectors. Despite its humble face value, the demand for this penny continues to rise, with collectors eager to add it to their collections. So, if you're fortunate enough to come across one of these coins in your pocket change, or you are considering adding it to your collection, remember, this penny holds much more value than its 1 cent face value suggests. Keep an eye on the market, and who knows, you might just find yourself holding a valuable treasure. Next up, we are diving into a fascinating piece of American numismatic history, the 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark. If you have been searching for rare and valuable coins, this one might be sitting right in your collection, or perhaps in your change jar, waiting to be discovered. The 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny is more than just a penny. It is a piece of history with unique features that make it highly desirable to collectors. So, let us explore why this seemingly humble coin has become such a sought-after item in the coin market today. The Lincoln Memorial penny, first introduced in 1959, was designed by Frank Gasparro to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. The reverse side of the coin showcases the Lincoln Memorial, symbolizing the nation's respect for Lincoln's legacy and his role in shaping the United States. The 1980 penny, struck by the United States Mint, carries all the historical significance and patriotic spirit of the Lincoln Memorial series. Although the 1980 penny does not have any dramatic design changes from previous years, its value has steadily risen due to collectors' interest in its rarity, particularly when it is in great condition. The 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny may seem like a common coin at first glance, but it possesses certain characteristics that set it apart in the world of coin collecting. One of the key elements is its unique strike, which in many cases is strong and sharp, lending it an aesthetically pleasing appearance. In addition, a major distinguishing feature that draws collectors' attention is the presence of grey spots, which can be an intriguing factor in the coin's value. These spots, often caused by environmental exposure or handling, can actually increase the coin's appeal depending on their placement and how they affect the overall appearance. When found in very fine condition, with clear details and minimal wear, this penny becomes a must-have for those who appreciate the history and beauty of United States. Currency. The rarity of the 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny is not immediately apparent, but it is the condition that truly elevates its demand among collectors. The 1980 penny, when in very fine condition, exhibits well-defined features and a clear image of the Lincoln Memorial. Coins with these attributes are in high demand due to their scarcity in such good condition. Most pennies from this year exhibit wear and aging, so a piece in very fine condition is relatively rare. Furthermore, the absence of a mint mark on this particular coin adds to its appeal. Mint marks indicate the location where the coin was struck, and the lack of one on certain years, like 1980, makes these coins especially coveted by collectors who seek out every detail for their collections. As of today, the 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark, particularly in very fine condition, holds a significant value in the market. While you might find these pennies in your pocket change or in rolls of older coins, those in pristine condition with clear details can fetch anywhere from a few dollars to over $84,000, depending on their state. For coins with more pronounced grey spots and distinct features, the value can rise even further, as collectors view them as rare finds. Keep in mind, the market for collectible coins is always evolving, but rest assured that the 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny remains in high demand, and its value is set to continue appreciating as more people recognize its potential. If you are lucky enough to come across a 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark, here are some tips to help you get the most out of your coin. First, always handle the coin carefully and avoid touching its surfaces directly to prevent wear and tarnishing. Store your coin in a protective holder or a display case to preserve its condition. When evaluating the coin, pay close attention to the condition. The finer the condition, the higher the potential value. Also, do not forget to compare your coin with others in the market, as prices can vary based on demand and collector interest. Finally, keep an eye on auction sites and coin dealers for updates on the current market trends and potential offers for your rare find. In conclusion, the 1980 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark is a hidden treasure for coin collectors. With its historical background, unique features, and rising demand, this penny has become a highly sought-after item in today's coin market. Whether you are a seasoned collector or someone just starting out, having a well-preserved 1980 penny in your collection is not only a smart investment, but also a piece of American history to cherish. The demand for these coins continues to grow, making them a highly valuable and highly prized addition to any collection. So, keep your eyes peeled. You never know, you might just have a rare gem in your pocket. Next up, we are diving into an exciting and highly sought-after piece of American numismatic history, the 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark. Known for its rich history, striking design, and unique characteristics, this coin has steadily become a coveted treasure among collectors. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or just getting started, this coin represents both an investment and a symbol of American heritage. Let us explore why this particular penny is gaining so much attention in the current market and what makes it a must-have for collectors. The Lincoln Memorial penny has been a staple of American currency since 1959, marking a shift from the original wheat design to one that celebrates Abraham Lincoln's legacy. The 1991 penny is part of this iconic series, featuring the famous Lincoln Memorial on the reverse side, designed by Frank Gasparo. The obverse side displays President Lincoln's portrait, created by Victor D. Brenner, and has remained largely unchanged since 1909. What makes the 1991 penny special is not just its historical significance, but the fact that it was minted during a period when the demand for smaller denominations was still high, making it a link between past and present coinage. The 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark stands out for several reasons. First, the absence of a mint mark is a defining characteristic, as most pennies from this year were minted in Philadelphia, where a mint mark was traditionally added. This rare omission increases the intrigue of the coin, making it a highly desirable item for collectors looking for unique variations in their collections. Moreover, the coin's white patina gives it an aged, distinct look, with its natural wear lending to its charm and character. The fine details of the Lincoln Memorial are beautifully preserved, showing the craftsmanship that went into creating a coin that would stand the test of time. Rarity plays a key role in determining a coin's value, and the 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark is a true gem in the world of numismatics. While most pennies of this era are commonly available in circulation, this specific variation is a standout. The condition of the coin plays a major role in its demand, and in this case, the very fine condition is highly sought after. Coins that are in excellent condition, with minimal wear and clear details, command higher prices due to their desirability among collectors. A penny in such condition is considered an exceptional find, especially when it features the absence of a mint mark and a white patina, making it even more appealing to the serious collector. If you are holding on to a 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark in very fine condition, you are in luck. This coin has seen a surge in market value over recent years. While the face value is only 1 cent, the rarity and condition of this penny elevate it far beyond its original worth. Depending on the specifics of the coin, including its overall appearance and demand from collectors, the value can range significantly. Some have been known to fetch $67,000, but in some cases, a particularly well-preserved example could command even more, especially if sold to the right buyer or through an auction. This penny is truly a hidden treasure in the numismatic world, offering a promising return on investment for those who are fortunate enough to own one. For collectors looking to get their hands on a 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, ensure that the coin you are purchasing is in the best possible condition. Coins with high detail and minimal wear will always be more valuable. It is also essential to buy from reputable dealers or auction houses that specialize in rare and collectible coins. If you are selling, consider having your coin professionally graded by a numismatic expert to confirm its value and condition, as a certified grade can significantly boost its appeal and market price. Lastly, always keep your coin stored properly in protective cases to maintain its condition and preserve its value. In conclusion, the 1991 Lincoln Memorial penny without a mint mark is more than just a piece of currency. It is a valuable collector's item with a fascinating history, unique features, and great potential in today's market. As demand continues to grow, this penny is becoming an increasingly desirable item for numismatists and collectors alike. If you are lucky enough to own one, you are holding on to a true treasure of American history, and if you're in the market for one, now is the perfect time to invest. Keep your eyes peeled for this gem. It is certainly worth more than just a penny. Next up, we are diving into the fascinating world of the 1994 with D. Lincoln Memorial penny, with a stunning grey layer in fine condition. This coin is not just an ordinary penny, it is a highly sought-after collectible with increasing market value. If you have one of these rare beauties in your possession, you might be sitting on a small fortune. Stay tuned as we dive into the history, unique features, rarity, and the current dollar value of this remarkable coin. The Lincoln Memorial penny has been a significant part of United States coinage since its introduction in 1959, replacing the iconic wheat penny. Designed by Frank Gasparo, this series features the enduring portrait of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, symbolizing America's strength and unity. The 1994 with D penny was struck at the Denver Mint, marked by the distinctive D mint mark below the year. While billions of pennies were minted that year, certain coins, like the one with a unique grey layer, stand out due to minting errors or post-mint conditions, making them incredibly valuable to collectors. What makes this 1994 with D. Lincoln Memorial penny extraordinary is its grey layer, which is not typically found on standard copper-plated zinc pennies. This unusual feature could be the result of a minting error, environmental exposure, or an improperly bonded planchet. Regardless of the cause, this distinct coloration adds to its uniqueness and collector appeal. In fine condition, this penny retains sharp details and an eye-catching appearance that makes it a rare find. Since coins with errors or special characteristics tend to command higher prices, this particular penny has become a prized possession for those who recognize its worth. While the 1994 with D. Lincoln Memorial penny was minted in large numbers, coins with a grey layer in fine condition are incredibly rare. Collectors and numismatists are always on the lookout for coins that deviate from the norm, especially those with noticeable differences in coloration, strike errors, or planchet anomalies. The better the condition, the higher the value. A well-preserved 1994 with D penny with sharp details and minimal wear can fetch impressive prices on the collector's market. As demand for error coins continues to rise, owning one of these unique pennies could be a game changer for collectors and investors alike. The market for rare and unique pennies is hotter than ever, and the 1994 with D. Lincoln Memorial penny with a grey layer is no exception. Depending on its condition, collectors are willing to pay significant sums for these rarities. In fine condition, this penny can command values well above its face value, sometimes reaching into the hundreds or even $57,000 if it is a verified mint error. Auctions and online marketplaces have seen these coins sell for impressive prices, proving that demand for such collectibles is only growing. If you have one, getting it appraised by a professional could reveal its true market potential. If you are a coin collector or someone interested in starting, now is the time to pay close attention to your pennies. Always check for unusual coloration, mint marks, and errors, as these factors can significantly impact a coin's value. Proper storage is essential. Use protective holders to prevent damage and maintain the coin's condition. Consider getting your rare finds graded by reputable services, as certification adds credibility and enhances market value. Finally, stay informed about market trends and auction results, as coin values fluctuate based on demand. Investing in rare pennies like the 1994 with D. Lincoln Memorial penny can be a rewarding and profitable hobby. The 1994 with D. Lincoln Memorial penny with a grey layer in fine condition is a hidden treasure in the world of coin collecting. With its unique characteristics, rarity, and increasing market value, it stands as a prime example of how a simple penny can turn into a valuable collector's item. If you have one of these special coins, do not underestimate its worth. It could be worth far more than just 1 cent. Keep searching, keep collecting, and who knows, you might just uncover a fortune in your pocket change. Next up, we are diving deep into a highly sought-after collectible, the 1968 United States 1 cent Lincoln Memorial penny. This coin has intrigued collectors for decades, and today we will explore its unique features, the incredible demand it generates, and the substantial value it can command on the market. The 1968 Lincoln Memorial penny was part of the famous United States penny series, which has been in circulation for over a century. Introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, the Lincoln penny has gone through various design changes over the years. The 1968 edition is significant because it marks a period of transition in United States coinage, following the 1965 decision to reduce the silver content in coins. The Lincoln Memorial design on the reverse was introduced in 1959, symbolizing Lincoln's legacy and the architectural beauty of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. The 1968 penny, though seemingly common at first glance, is packed with historical and numismatic value that has grown over time. The 1968 Lincoln Memorial penny stands out for its distinct features that make it highly desirable among collectors. On the obverse, the image of Abraham Lincoln, sculpted by Victor David Brenner, remains timeless, with a sharp profile that has been admired for over a century. The reverse, showcasing the iconic Lincoln Memorial, is what adds to the coin's appeal. However, the 1968 penny has a special nuance due to its minting characteristics. This coin typically displays a light grey patina, with some pieces even showing light grey spots, a feature not often seen in more recent pennies. These unique signs of age can give the coin a more authentic feel and further elevate its desirability among collectors. With no mint mark, this penny was struck in Philadelphia, contributing to its distinctive historical significance. One of the key factors contributing to the high demand for the 1968 Lincoln Memorial penny is its rarity, particularly in fine condition. The coin's unique light grey spots and overall aging add to its appeal, making it a standout piece in any collection. While the 1968 penny itself was not produced in extremely limited numbers, the specific condition of the coin plays a crucial role in its market value. Pennies that are in fine or higher condition, with minimal wear, can fetch impressive prices. The demand for these coins remains strong because they are a perfect representation of a transitional period in United States coinage and are cherished for their historical value. Their rarity and appeal in fine condition only increase as more collectors seek to complete their sets with pieces of superior quality. As of today, the 1968 Lincoln Memorial penny in fine condition can command a surprising amount in the market. A penny in good to fine condition, with notable unique features like light grey spots, can be valued at a range of $94,000, depending on the specific coin's quality. Coins in mint condition, or with a higher degree of rarity due to slight variations in production, can even reach values above $98,000. Given the coin's historical significance and its relatively short circulation period in the grand scheme of United States coinage, it is no surprise that this particular penny remains highly sought after among collectors. As more people become aware of its true value, the price may continue to rise, making it a lucrative investment for the future. For those looking to add the 1968 Lincoln Memorial penny to their collection, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First and foremost, always check the coin's condition. A penny with minimal wear and clear details will be worth significantly more. Pay attention to any unique characteristics, such as the light grey spots mentioned earlier, as they can add to the coin's value. It is also important to store your coins properly to preserve their condition, ideally in protective cases that shield them from the elements. When buying or selling, always ensure that you are dealing with reputable dealers or platforms to get the best possible price. And finally, stay patient. Numismatic value can appreciate over time, so holding on to a well-maintained 1968 penny could yield greater returns in the future. In conclusion, the 1968 United States of America 1-cent Lincoln Memorial penny is far from just a simple coin. It is a valuable piece of history and an essential addition to any serious collection. With its unique features, rarity, and increasing market demand, this penny has solidified its place as a sought-after collector's item. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just beginning your journey into numismatics, the 1968 Lincoln penny is definitely a coin to keep an eye on. Do not miss out on the opportunity to own a piece of United States history that is only growing in value. Next up, we are going to dive deep into one of the most fascinating and highly sought-after coins in the world of numismatics, the 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny with an S mint mark and those distinctive green and brown spots. This coin has captured the attention of collectors worldwide, and in this video, we will uncover why it is such a remarkable and valuable piece to own. Let us start with a little bit of history. The 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny is part of the long-running series of pennies that has graced the hands of Americans for over a century. In 1959, the iconic Lincoln Memorial design, created by Frank Gasparo, replaced the earlier wheat ears reverse, becoming an emblem of American history. The coin features the famous image of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. However, it is the 1971 version that particularly stands out due to its combination of rarity, unique features, and its minting at the San Francisco Mint, as denoted by the letter S mint mark. This minting process, combined with the passage of time, has created the perfect storm for its increased value in today's market. Now, let us talk about what makes the 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny with the letter S mint mark so special. First and foremost, its rich historical background gives it a sense of rarity and importance. The coin features a sharp design with Lincoln's timeless portrait and the stunning Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. What makes this particular penny even more exciting is the presence of those unique green and brown spots that can develop due to the natural aging process of the copper alloy used in minting. These spots, while not necessarily harmful, add a certain character and individuality to each coin, making it more visually appealing to collectors who appreciate the natural progression of coins over time. The S mint mark is also a defining feature, as San Francisco's minting process often produces coins with sharper tails and finer craftsmanship. When it comes to the world of coin collecting, rarity is key. And in this case, the 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny with the letter S mint mark is rare in terms of its availability in higher grades. Many of these pennies were circulated extensively, which means that finding one in fine condition with little to no damage is becoming increasingly difficult. The green and brown spots may also be seen as a natural, yet desirable patina that speaks to the age and uniqueness of each coin. The overall condition of the coin plays a major role in its demand, with higher quality coins commanding premium prices. For collectors who are lucky enough to find one in pristine or near pristine condition, the demand for such pieces is soaring. And, with the scarcity of such well-preserved specimens, the 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny with an S mint mark is seen as a must-have for serious coin collectors. Now let's get into the most exciting part, the market value of this coin. As of now, the 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny with the S mint mark can fetch a significant price on the market, especially if it is in excellent condition. A fine condition coin with those lovely green and brown spots can be worth anywhere from $91,000, depending on the exact condition and the rarity of its specific features. However, do not be surprised if coins in near mint or mint condition see prices skyrocket to over $97,000 or even more in some rare instances. Demand for unique, historical coins like these continues to rise, making it an exciting time to be a collector or investor in numismatic treasures. If you are considering adding this remarkable coin to your collection, there are a few tips that can help you maximize your investment. First, always ensure you're purchasing from a reputable dealer or auction house that specializes in rare coins. They can provide authentication and grading services that ensure the coin's value is accurate and legitimate. Secondly, take extra care in preserving the coin. Avoid cleaning it, as this can damage the patina and lower its value. Instead, store it in a protective holder, such as a coin slab or capsule, to protect it from further wear or damage. Lastly, if you are searching for this coin, try to focus on finding one in the best possible condition. The better the condition, the higher the demand, and ultimately, the higher the potential value. In conclusion, the 1971 Lincoln Memorial penny with the S mint mark is more than just a piece of currency. It is a piece of history. With its striking design, unique green and brown spots, and rarity in fine condition, it is no wonder why this coin is in such high demand among collectors and investors alike. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just starting your journey into the world of numismatics, this penny offers a fantastic opportunity to own a valuable and historically significant coin. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember that coin collecting is not just about the coins themselves, but about preserving a piece of history for future generations. Happy collecting, and I will see you in the next video.